Hi, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here, I'm Laura. Today I have a grocery haul for you, but before we get into the haul I just want to give you a bit of a background into our family. So we're a family of four: myself, my husband Connor, our 14-year-old Ava and our 10-year-old Ethan. At the moment myself and the kids are on summer holidays and Connor has been off work, but he will be back on Tuesday. So this haul doesn't include school lunches and it includes just a few work lunches. I have a budget of about 450 to 500 euros per month, and that is for food and household items. So I try to stick as close as I can to 100 euros per week. I have included a meal plan as well at the end of this video, so stick around for that. And if you like this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more. So I'll just start off here with the fruit and veg. I've got some carrots, some new seasoned potatoes, some scallions for salad, some butterhead lettuce. My children, I think this is the only salad they actually will eat, the only lettuce they'll eat. This mixed leaf salad was in the offers this week for 49¢. I have a lot of vegetables already that we didn't use from last week, so I didn't really need that much this week. 1 pepper, 2 bunches of bananas. I try to get 1 bunch that's more green and 1 bunch that's more yellow, so that way that they actually last throughout the week. Some blueberries, 2 packs of blueberries, 1 pack of strawberries, some Pink Lady apples. On the meal plan this week we're going to have some bacon, cabbage, bacon and potatoes. So we've got some cabbage for that, some cherry tomatoes, some mushrooms, needing more olive oil. I really like this brand for tomatoes. If you notice in the haul, some things I buy are supermarket own brand and then other things are branded, and I think that's a great way of saving money if there's something that you really like. Like for me, tomatoes are one of the things that they make such a difference in a meal. I cook a lot with tomatoes, so I decided to get, I just prefer the kind of better quality ones than the supermarket brand. I've tried every single one of them, but I like these, and I like Muti is the other brand as well. Some beans, no added sugar, some tuna for some lunches. We ran out of coffee and this one was on special offer. That's also another tip. I never buy coffee full price, ever. I'll always buy it on special offer. You know, you can save yourself a good bit of money by doing things like that. Some honey. This is another thing as well that's branded, but it's one of those things that I feel is worth paying. Cocoa Pops, again, I think a regular box of the branded Cocoa Pops are probably, I don't even know, 3-4 euros. I think this is €1 for a box. Parsley sauce. Here's just a few little treats that we got for the children this week. So some Hershey bars, popcorn, dark chocolate rice cakes. And my son was shopping with me this week and he wanted to get some digestive biscuits, so he got digestive biscuits, and he also wanted some smoked salmon, so we got some smoked salmon. Does anybody else find that when their children are with them that they end up spending or getting things that were not on the list? But oh well, I don't mind. Some bread, some wholemeal wraps. I got some butter. I've got some meat already in the fridge. I have some chicken fillets already. I have some mince already. And I think I have a few other bits. I'll also do some vegetarian meals this week as well. I like to do vegetarian pasta and, you know, some things like that, just to break up the meat and to save on money as well. So chicken breasts, double cream for a recipe, some cheese, milk. During the week we'll probably have to go and buy some more milk, but this is the milk that 3 litres of milk that my husband and the kids will use, and then I have almond milk. We have some natural yogurt for a recipe, some Greek yogurt. We like to have this for breakfast or for snacks. It's really good actually with this blackberry jam on top. It's really, really nice. Some eggs. I got a bacon joint, an eyeline, and what I do with this is I'll cook this in the slow cooker, and then have, you know, we can get a few dinners out of that, maybe 3 small portions or 2 full, you know, and that's for 4 of us. You know, what I'll do with this is I'll have it with the cabbage, potatoes and parsley sauce, and then whatever's left over I will do a ham and pea pasta dish with some cream, some garlic, some onions, and it's really nice to do it. The kids absolutely love it. So yeah, that's what those peas are for. My husband is back to work this week, so he will have some ham and sandwiches. And these are just some freezer bits for the kids just to stock up. So we have some waffles, fish fingers, pizza, some ice creams, and then onto some household bits. We have some bleach, some anti-bac spray, toothpaste. I don't need toothpaste, but this was on special, so I just got an extra one just to have. Toilet rolls, and I also bought some new bowls. Our cereal bowls are, hang on, let me see if I got one. A lot of them are looking like this, so I need to replace them. And I got these ones, I think they were €2 maybe. I think they're about €2. So here we go. So all of this cost €96. Okay, so here's our receipt. Everything that we got, as I said, the balance was 96.02. It was 116.02, but I had 2 10 off €50 vouchers. And this didn't include the bowls. The bowls were €2 each, and I got 5 of them. So €10 for the bowls. But grocery wise, €96 for all of these groceries. And this will do my family of 4 for 1 week. As I said, we do already have some food stocked in the freezer and some in the fridge, but this is what we bought this week. Okay, so here's my meal plan. I usually just write it down on just a sheet of paper like this, nothing fancy. So I write down the days that we're going to have meals on. However, we mightn't have, say, fajitas on Saturday or bolognese on Tuesday. I know, as long as I know that I have these ingredients, sometimes I will switch them around, especially during the summertime when we're off work and school, and you know, a typical routine is not happening. I can just mix and match or switch and swap days. So I have on the list, so I have fajitas, ham, mashed potatoes and veg, and then with the leftover ham I will make ham and pea pasta with some like a creamy garlic sauce. I'll make a spaghetti bolognese. I already have mince for this in the freezer. I will make a veg pasta, and normally what I do there is use up all the vegetables that I have left over or that need to be used up before the next shop, and mix it in a pan, onions, peppers, salt, garlic, tin tomatoes, that type of thing, and sometimes I'll blend it up into a sauce, or sometimes I'll leave it chunky, it just depends. And then butter chicken. I would probably go to the Asian supermarket and buy some chapatis to go with the butter chicken as well, and I might even make a video about that too. And then normally what I do is for lunches and breakfast, I don't really plan them out. I just have a general idea of what we would like to have, just to make sure that I do have these things in the press or in the fridge. So I have down for this week, I have chicken salad. I'm going to cook up some of the chicken breasts that I have, and keep them in the fridge. Then we can have them for salads or sandwiches. The kids might have them with wraps, or sometimes they might even chop them up, put them through some pasta with some pesto, is always a good one for lunches as well. We will have tuna and either a salad or a sandwich. Like a ham, egg, it's a typical kind of Irish summer salad, so it's usually ham, boiled egg, some salad, some beetroot. It's it's really nice, but it's an easy lunch or an easy dinner on a hot day. Some omelettes. Everybody loves omelettes. They're quick and easy. You can throw whatever vegetables or maybe pieces of ham, some cheese, anything like that will go into the omelette. And then breakfast, same again, cereal, porridge, fruit and eggs. The only thing that I really had to buy here was this cereal, fruit and eggs. I always have porridge, always in stock.